In recent times, a Chinese brand named Tenor has been in the headlines in the Indian market. We have already covered the Tenor's premium offering, the Tenor G, here at Telecom Talk. And in today's video, let's check out the company's lowest offering, the Tenor E. Let's get started. Let's begin the video by unboxing the Tenor E. The phone's detail box has a nice texture to it on the top, and opening up the box, we have the Tenor E itself wrapped in a plastic cover. Let's remove the smartphone from the plastic cover and keep it aside to check out the in-box contents. Diving inside the box, we get a micro USB cable and a wall adapter, which doesn't have any charging speed mentioned on it. Sadly, keeping the in-box contents aside, we'll take a look at the Tenor E smartphone itself now. Here are the quick specifications of the Tenor E for your reference. Now that we are done with the specifications of the Tenor E smartphone, let's take a look at the top 5 features of the device. Firstly, we have a 5.5-inch Full HD display on the top of the smartphone. The Tenor E is possibly the cheapest smartphone in the country with a Full HD display at a price point of Rs 7,999. The other smartphone with a Full HD display in the same price range is the U Eureka Black from Micromax sub-brand U Televentures, which is not at all a great smartphone. Moving on to the next highlight, the Tenor E smartphone is powered by the entry-level octa-core Snapdragon 430 chipset with 4 Cortex-A53 cores clocked at 1.2 GHz and another 4 cores clocked at 1.5 GHz. The Tenor E comes in two variants, one with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, and the other one with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. There is a micro SD card for storage expansion up to 128 GB. The one which you are seeing in this video is the cheap 3 GB RAM model. The chipset is paired with Adreno 505 GPU to take care of the graphics in the smartphone. Next up in the list is stock Android, which has become a weapon for most smartphone brands in India. Tenor is betting big on the software aspects in the country. Both its smartphones, the Tenor E and the Tenor G, runs clear stock Android 7.1.2 Nougat out of the box, and the brand even promised Android Oreo update by the end of 2017 for both the smartphones, which is a nice thing from a new brand. Lastly, we have a 4000 mAh battery inside the Tenor, which possibly is alone for you to purchase the device because it easily lasts for 2 days with a single charge. Sadly, Tenor did not reveal the fast charging technology used in the Tenor E, and I believe that there is no fast charging technology used in the smartphone to charge the device. That's it for this quick video, guys. Hope you have liked this video. If you liked it, subscribe to your YouTube channel and let us know what you think about the Tenor E smartphone in the comment section below. This is Chakri signing off.